Hey guys, welcome back to another CIS Lover 3000 video. Today, we're breaking down Sustainable Development Goal number 15, Life on Land, and how global information technology can help protect one of the most biodiverse places on Earth, Brazil. Brazil isn't just forests and land, it's home to millions of species and some of the richest animal ecosystems on the planet. From jaguars to macaws to pink river dolphins, this is one of the most important regions for global biodiversity. But here's the issue. Habitat loss and deforestation are putting this wildlife at risk. So today, we'll look at Brazil's biodiversity data story, break down a tech-based mind map for solutions, and see how technology can actually help protect life on land. Let's start with the wildlife. According to Our World in Data, Brazil is one of the most biodiverse countries on Earth, meaning it has an extremely high number of plant and animal species compared to most countries. Brazil is especially important for animals. The Amazon rainforest and surrounding ecosystems are home to species like jaguars, giant anteaters, sloths, macaws, poison dart frogs, and Amazon river dolphins. These ecosystems contain some of the highest concentrations of species richness globally, especially for birds, amphibians, and mammals. That means more unique animal species live here than almost anywhere else on Earth. However, our world in data also shows that biodiversity is declining globally, and habitat destruction, especially through deforestation, is one of the main drivers of species loss. When forests are cleared in Brazil, animals lose their habitats, food sources, and migration routes. That puts entire ecosystems at risk. So the big takeaway is this. Protecting Brazil means protecting thousands of animal species that exist nowhere else on Earth. Now let's move into the solution side using our Global Information Technology mind map, which has 4 key branches. First up is satellite monitoring. Satellites can track changes in Brazil's forests in real time, helping scientists and governments see where animal habitats are being destroyed. This is important because when forest loss is detected early, it can prevent long-term damage to ecosystems where animals like jaguars and macaws live. Satellites basically act like a global wildlife protection camera system. Next is artificial intelligence. AI can analyze huge amounts of biodiversity data, including animal populations and habitat changes. For example, AI can identify endangered species from camera trap images, predict where habitat loss will impact wildlife most, and track changes in animal populations over time. This helps conservation teams move from reacting too late to predicting problems before animals are affected. Third is the Internet of Things, or IoT. IoT uses smart sensors placed in forests and protected areas. These sensors can detect wildfire smoke early, track temperature and humidity changes that affect animal habitats, and monitor environmental conditions in real time. This helps protect fragile ecosystems where many species depend on stable conditions to survive. Finally, we have blockchain and digital platforms. Blockchain can track products like timber and beef to make sure they are not linked to illegal deforestation. This matters because illegal land clearing destroys animal habitats. Digital platforms also let communities report illegal logging or wildlife crimes instantly, improving enforcement and protection efforts. Now, here's the key idea. These technologies work best together. Satellites show where habitat loss is happening, AI predicts how it affects animals, IoT sensors monitor conditions in real time, and blockchain prevents illegal destruction of habitats. Together, they create a full digital protection system for wildlife. And since Brazil is one of the most biodiverse countries on Earth, even small improvements in protection can have a global impact on biodiversity. So here's the big picture. Brazil is one of the most important countries on Earth for animal biodiversity, but its ecosystems are under pressure from habitat loss and deforestation. The data from Our World in Data shows that biodiversity is declining globally, and protecting habitats is critical for preventing species loss. But global information technology gives us real tools to fight back through satellites, AI, IoT, and blockchain systems. If used correctly, technology can help protect animals like jaguars, macaws, and river dolphins and support Brazil in achieving SDG 15, Life on Land. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you think you could survive in the Amazon rainforest. That's it for me, CIS Lover 3000,